Transmission additives improve gear shifting, reduce wear, prevent overheating, enhance performance, extend transmission life, and ensure smoother driving experience overall. My today's video is about top 5 best transmission additive that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Zato Transmission Additive. This advanced transmission additive is designed to rebuild and restore worn metal components while providing long-term protection against future wear and tear. Acting as a high-performance anti-friction modifier, it smooths out surface defects, reduces internal resistance, and shields the transmission system from extreme heat buildup during demanding driving conditions. It effectively eliminates common transmission issues such as shuddering, slipping, noise, and unwanted vibration, ensuring a noticeably smoother and more stable driving experience. By optimizing internal lubrication and reducing friction between moving parts, it enhances overall gear engagement and shifting precision. The formula also boosts performance reliability, helping extend the operational life of critical control gears and transmission components. Suitable for a wide range of systems including automatic, CVT, Tiptronic, manumatic, and semi-automatic transmissions, it offers universal compatibility for modern vehicles. Now our second product is DOX Diesel Transmission Additive. This DEF additive is designed to maintain the health and efficiency of modern diesel emission systems by actively preventing crystallization and harmful urea crystal buildup in pumps, injectors, and SCR components. By reducing the formation of deposits, it helps ensure consistent DEF flow and accurate dosing, which is critical for maintaining optimal emissions control performance. The formula also enhances overall stability, extending the shelf life of DEF by protecting it from degradation caused by temperature fluctuations and storage conditions. With improved fluid integrity, the system operates more smoothly and reliably, reducing the risk of clogging, sensor errors, and costly downtime. By preserving the cleanliness and efficiency of emission components, it ultimately helps protect the vehicle owner's investment by lowering maintenance and repair expenses. Fully compatible with all DEF fluids and SCR-equipped diesel systems, the convenient 8 ounces single-dose bottle makes application simple, practical, and suitable for both personal and commercial diesel vehicle maintenance. Our third product is Seafoam Transmission Additive. This deep fuel system cleaner is a versatile, all-in-one maintenance solution designed to restore engine performance and extend overall engine life. It works by thoroughly cleaning the entire fuel system, including injectors, carburetors, and combustion chamber deposits, helping to recover lost power, improve fuel efficiency, and smooth out rough idling. Suitable for both gasoline and diesel engines, it effectively removes fuel residue and varnish buildup, promoting cleaner and more efficient combustion across a wide range of fuel types, including ethanol blends. As an oil treatment, it helps dissolve sludge and deposits in crankcases, improving lubrication flow and reducing internal engine wear. It also functions as a fuel stabilizer, preserving fuel quality for up to 2 years by preventing gum and varnish formation, making it ideal for seasonal or stored equipment. Compatible with nearly all engines and vehicles, it offers a reliable, preventative maintenance approach for long-term performance and durability. Now number 4, Polytron Transmission Additive. This advanced Polytron metal treatment concentrate, MTC, is engineered as a scientific breakthrough solution for comprehensive engine and machinery protection across automotive, marine, industrial, and transmission systems. Unlike conventional additives, it treats metal surfaces directly rather than altering oil properties, forming a protective layer that significantly reduces friction and wear without using solid particles such as PTFE or zinc, and without acting as a viscosity modifier. Compatible with both mineral and synthetic oils, it supports a wide range of applications including engines, gearboxes, differentials, and hydraulic systems. By minimizing metal-to-metal contact, it claims to reduce engine wear by up to 95%, potentially extending engine lifespan by 200 to 300% while enhancing protection even under extreme conditions like oil or coolant loss. It also contributes to improved fuel efficiency, lower operating temperatures, cleaner emissions, and better power and torque output. Additionally, it helps maintain engine cleanliness, reduces deposit buildup, and may significantly extend oil change intervals, offering long-term operational efficiency. And our last choice is Hot Shot's Secret Transmission Additive. This diesel engine treatment, EDT, is formulated to enhance overall engine performance while supporting long-term fuel system health and efficiency. By increasing cetane levels by up to 7 points, it promotes more complete combustion, leading to improved throttle response, smoother acceleration, better fuel economy, and reduced maintenance demands. The additive also works as a powerful fuel injector cleaner, removing both internal and external deposits from injectors while improving fuel lubricity to protect critical components such as pumps and injectors, ultimately extending engine life. In addition, it helps prevent rust and corrosion by controlling moisture through demulsification and stabilizing fuel against oxidation and degradation. This protective action ensures a cleaner, more reliable fuel system even under demanding conditions. Designed for convenience, it is easy to use at every fill-up with a simple dosage per 25 gallons of diesel. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.